Welcome back, everybody, to another cryptocurrency news article. Today's article comes from Crypto Potato, and presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy to back US dollar with Bitcoin if he is elected. So, yes, Kennedy's possible cabinet could back 1% of issued T-bills with Bitcoin or precious metals, whereas later it could dive deeper. So, all right, let's hear what Robert F. Kennedy has to say about this. The US presidential candidate from the Democratic Party, Robert F. Kennedy, vowed to strengthen America's official currency by backing it with Bitcoin, gold, silver, and platinum. Several finance experts, such as Robert Kiyosaki, have predicted a gloomy future for the dollar, advising consumers to invest in the primary cryptocurrency or precious metals. Kennedy's next plan involving Bitcoin. Robert F. Kennedy, the nephew of the former U.S. President John F. Kennedy, has presented himself as one of the most passionate advocates of Bitcoin. The 69-year-old environmental lawyer has also positioned the leading digital asset at the center of his presidential campaign. Now, in recent appearances at the Heal the Divide PAC, he vowed to back the American dollar with real finite assets, including Bitcoin and certain precious metals, should he become the 47th president of these states. In his view, the move will guarantee the strength of the greenback and its continuous success as the world's reserve currency. Now, Kennedy explained that such potential backing would include U.S. Treasury bills, notes, and bonds, as his cabinet will act quite carefully at first. He goes, my plan would be to start very, very small. Perhaps 1% of issued T-bills would be backed by hard currency, by gold, silver, platinum, or Bitcoin, and then depending on the outcome, we would increase that annually. Now, the presidential candidate outlined the worrying economic condition of the United States caused by the global COVID-19 pandemic, the increasing interest rates by the Federal Reserve, and the subsequent inflation. Kennedy believes backing Treasury bills with Bitcoin could strengthen the value of those short-term securities and thus support local businesses. Now, this is not the first time Kennedy has fired shots at the U.S. central bank. He suggested in April that the institution had collaborated with numerous banks between 2008 to 2022 to print a colossal amount of money. He also claimed Bitcoin could serve as an escape route amid the consecutive turbulence. Now, making America a global crypto hub, Kennedy, a Bitcoin hodler with up to $250,000 worth of the asset, has pledged that one mission of his administration would be to turn the United States into a global cryptocurrency center. He believes employing renewable energy and Bitcoin mining and the multiple initiatives surrounding the biggest crypto asset could attract investors and entrepreneurs. The Democrat claimed his cabinet will make sure to recognize BTC as not a security and create strong barriers against the issuance of central bank digital currencies. Now, subsequently, he assured he would exempt the conversion of Bitcoin to US dollars from capital gains taxes. Okay, so yeah, some good policies out there and whatnot. Will I still vote for the guy? Most definitely not, because I'm voting for Trump. I always vote red. That's just me. That's just who I am. But yeah, I do like that. But it's because I always kept saying like our dollar is like it's useless right now. It's not backed by anything. It's got to be backed by something. So since the gold was out of the way, it's like going, okay, what are these CBDCs going to be backed by? Is it going to be backed by gold again, or are we going to be backing them by cryptocurrency like that? Most solid one would be Bitcoin to do that. So okay, so we'll see if this does go here. So yeah, President of Canada is actually explaining that. I know I called out like years ago when I got started with this, but I'm going, yeah, it's got to be backed by something. And okay, so we'll see what the other candidates have to say about it as well. But yeah, Robert F. Kennedy has been a big Bitcoin candidate since. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this article read through, and if so, smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.